a block right up the middle. They come. Mack Wilson comes through.
Hey, on some Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, she tell me that that body is mine. Shit, I might pull up to your crib with a bottle of wine. All these dudes want my spot, but they can all get in line. They sending DMs, oh, they so annoying. We like to read them, I kinda enjoy it. On some Floyd shit, you never let these boys hit.
All right, guys, we're here for another video. Today, we're setting up a PC for Mack Wilson. He's a good friend of Devonta Smith. So this is pretty much another rendition of a setup for an NFL player. You know how we do it. We got a chair, we got 2 monitors, we got the PC, the keyboard, the mouse pad, the controller, you name it. So I'm super excited. We're in Boston right now, and we're gonna kill it as usual. We're gonna go up there, do our thing, and we're happy to bring you guys along for the ride. So let's get it. All right, guys, I'm here with my man Oakley from GameNetics, yo. How you doing, bro?
Doing pretty good, man.
Yes, sir. So Oakley is the owner of GameNetics, and he brought us 2 incredible controllers.
Yep.
We got one for Mac, and we got one for us, so that we're gonna take home with us. We got a lot of things planned together, bro. So I'm excited to test out the controller, let you know if it's the perfect spec so we can proceed on even more controllers. So let's get it. Attack the monitors.
Yeah.
So like, I used to go to PAX East like every year. So
Yeah.
Like 2014.
I went this year just to check it out. You
Yeah.
that? Oh no, you didn't go this year?
No.
Yeah.
Mac, can you go over here? Can you just put these 2 cables, these 2 like behind the router?
You can't play 2K23 on the PC.
Yeah, you can.
Sure.
The new one's coming out, right? And, like,
The new one you can, but I don't think you can play 23.
No. You can play it, but nobody plays it because it's all hackers and shit. But the next one is gonna be crossplay. It's the first 2K.
What you mean hackers? Like people that play 2K23 off of PC?
Yeah,
Hackers?
like currently, like if you play on PC, you're only playing against PC people, and that community's like dead on PC.
Gotcha.
But now that it's finally crossplay in 24, it's gonna be live, and you can play on PC.
So how can I? So if I wanted to play 2K23 on PS5, then how that work?
We can just hook it up. The PS5 is one of the monitors. There's multiple inputs, and then you can just switch to the PS5.
Off the buttons on the.
Off the button.
Okay.
What do you need next? The bottom or probably this, right? I guess.
Yeah, we gotta screw this onto it.
Yep. Sure, sick.
Looks very comfortable.
Yeah.
Mac, is this chair gonna fit back there though?
Yeah.
Alright, Oakley, so what do you have for me, bro?
Sweet. Yeah, so I have the test version of the Paradox PS5 controller here.
The prototype?
Yep. So we got the packaging here with the Paradox letter.
Fire.
So I don't know if you want me to get some instructions there too, but yeah,
Sick.
I'll let you open it up.
So guys, me and Oakley have been working on the exact configuration of this controller for quite some time. You know, the design is very important, but for me, you know, making sure it's the exact specification that I want is crucial. And so that's why, you know, I'm here to test this controller and give Oakley some feedback. Oh my God.
This was the one that we were looking at before. I was like, might as well send you that one.
Why did I think it was gonna be like blank or something?
Nah, dude, we don't do that.
Dude, it's like light.
Yeah,
The vibrations
it
are
rumbles
removed.
out, yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of that?
Is there a galaxy design for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one I was showing when I came down to
Got
see
the
you
blue
guys.
grips.
Yep.
And so you did the textured backgrounds.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Digital tap on the
Yep.
face buttons.
So the one thing which I was telling you yesterday was on these, there's 2 different types of like, I guess the millimeter like
Yep.
press. This one is the one that has a little bit extra, but we have the other ones as well. It's just with the time we had to get this together.
No worries.
I didn't have the other ones, so.
No, I love this. I'm gonna try this for sure.
Yeah.
First impressions, I think this spec is perfect.
Yeah, and you got the regular analog, so you can put control freaks on it if you wanted to or anything like that.
Right. I like the regular analog sticks.
Yeah.
Sick. All right, man. Dude, thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, no worries.
Mac, I'm gonna try a game on this controller.
Yeah. All right, so this is the second controller we got here from Mac. We had a short amount of time to get this done, so hopefully we got the engraving right.
Okay.
But yeah, here you go. If you want to open her up. So yeah, we do we write everyone's name on the card for every controller. But
Okay.
yeah, you could,
And it's got a custom carrying case.
yep.
Let's see what we got. Oh, this is fire. Yeah, this is dope. We got my logo on there.
Yeah.
This is one-on-one.
One-on-one, yeah, we tried to get that all on there.
It's a one-on-one. That's dope. It's nice.
But yeah, so all the red is kind of like a soft touch sort of finish. The rest is, you know, gold chrome. But yeah, I know we were kind of talking back and forth trying to figure out the best thing, but there it is.
This tight. Appreciate this though for sure.
Yeah, no worries.
Don't put this thing to use for sure. I'm only gonna use this when I play Call of Duty though. I can't play with this on the regular.
Yeah.
It's too special. Appreciate you for sure.
Yeah, no worries. It is funny, we've done that at work because we test on the Warzone as well, and then we'll just forget that we have the thing on.
That's so fun. So FOV is like what separates like PC from like console. I'm gonna put you
Not
on
anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you did
definitely.
update it.
Yeah.
I was playing a lot of COD Ring at the time, and like that was a whole discussion.
Yeah.
I wasn't using it. I wasn't that guy.
I mess with it though.
Sick.
Can't lock it in right now.
But
Let me just see the vibration.
yeah,
It feels crazy though, like that triggered haptics, but like it's best if it's off.
Yeah, it's not vibrating no more. We good now.
Sick.
You wanna test yours out?
Yeah, I'll test mine out. And then we'll start downloading other games.
So I had to download like Madden and
Yeah. I think what we'll do is I'm gonna test your internet speeds to see how quick we can download them. But we'll probably just run all the downloads at the same time, and then we can like call it there.
No! Oh my god!
Game medics!
playing solo.
GG's. GG's.
pretty much.
GG's. Oh my god!
Let's go!
Nice, man.
Hey yo!
What was that, 17 kills?
Something like that.
That's crazy.
Y'all be too good, man.
Yeah, there it is.
Wasn't the hands this time. It was all this. And this.
Yeah.
And this.
Fire.
Alright, Mac. Yo, my guy, the setup is all done, bro. How you feeling?
Great. Feel amazing. Just to be able to have me a PC now. My double screens. Ready to get active now.
Let's get it. So, for your short time playing Call of Duty, how did it feel being on PC and playing on like a nice monitor?
It's totally different, I can say that. I mean, moves smoother, obviously. The graphics is incredible. Everything is just way smoother. Put them PS5s down, guys.
Nah, that's facts. So, quick little curveball question for you. I actually asked Devonta the same question. What are your favorite 3 games of all time? Your top 3 games of all time?
My favorite 3 games of all time, 1 would be Slugfest. 2 would be NBA Street.
Okay.
3 would probably be San Andreas.
Oh, that's fire. That's fire. So yeah, man. Thank you so much for having us too out here in Boston. Like, you know, it's our first time out here in a while. You know, congrats again. Like, good luck in your upcoming season, bro. You know, we have a great time and have some quality time with the PC as well.
Sure.
And yeah, man, we always got your back.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yes, sir.
Yo, and last thing too, real quick, what did you think of this incredible GameNetics controller?
It's the best thing I've seen ever. You know, just, I mean, to have my logo engraved in it is special. I probably won't even use it, honestly.
Yeah, just
as much, just because it's so nice. All the details in it, man. It's incredible. I appreciate it.
Sick, man. Is there anything you want to tell everybody out there?
Shout out to my man. If you guys need a PC, lock in with him. Don't get you right.
Yes, sir.
This was like a 3-4 day turnaround, so super quick.
That's what we
Drove 4 hours to Boston, delivered it, set it up, made sure everything was working. You know, I just can't appreciate him enough. You know, ready to get into this game. And I need to add him because he actually good as hell.
Yes, sir. Yo, I dropped 17.
17 in like 30 minutes, you know. So, like I said, you know, just holler at my dude. And if you want to get your set up, gonna take care of you, the whole team.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. We'll see you later, yo. Thanks for watching. Peace. Yo, the GPS just took it to some. I can't even see. This is insane. Whose house are we going to next? It's God. Billionaire. Shit is wild. And we made it. We came out. And we conquered. Shout out to Boston, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. I don't know if we're in Connecticut or Boston right now, but this, you know, they say in the Northeast, all the grass is fire. It's the best grass.